This is the new project that we started to remodel. I want to walk through it so that you guys see part of the demolition stage. This here will have 10 rooms. This one will have 8 rooms. We started to take out all of the old bathrooms, kitchen. Check it out. All this will be replaced. Front door, just to give you kind of an idea of what it looks like before we finish. All walls boarded up. We walk in, this is kind of like the living room area. All fans, all lights are gone. Baseboards, we're taking all baseboards out. To the immediate right, here's the kitchen. As you saw, the stove is gone, cabinets, everything will be removed from the kitchen. I'm still debating whether we should take this out or keep it. What do you think? Here to the right is a half bath, completely gutted as well. Here we're gonna close this up and make it into a room. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola. Make that into a room. We come here, come straight. Another room, but unfortunately you can't see. There's no electricity just yet. But all the baseboard is being removed and all the fans, light fixtures will be removed. All right, this is gonna be fun. Check this out. All the bathrooms, we're gonna get rid of all vanities, toilets, mirrors, but also those will be replaced with really nice showers. Here on this one, we have 5 bathrooms and showers. They started to take everything out. All that's being taken out. Good. Good. Let's go this way. Here, this could, well, it is a full shower, but also you can connect the washroom and dryer here. So we'll be remodeling this area. It's looking good, it's looking good. All baseboards are gone. All lights are gone. Here to the right, you can see a little bit better the rooms. We're also going to be removing all of the popcorn ceiling. All popcorn ceiling will be taken out. That, it's old, it's not in, doesn't look good, and it kind of holds smells and things like that. So this is the back or the side, loaded up. A couple dumps already. Taking all this to the dump. Check out the side. We'll be installing AC units. Wow, this is a really fun project. Can't wait to show you guys the end result. I'm gonna show you the other one as well. We've began the demo phase. Common area here, we'll kind of show you and talk about the ideas. I'm gonna get rid of these. Those are the old hangers to hang clothes to dry. Check out the building. Let's walk inside. Well, before I go here, let me show you the common area. We'll fix this nicely where people can hang out and have a good time. All right, so we keep coming here this way to the immediate left. Demo phase has begun. Here, there's a full bath. The shower's completely gone, toilet's gone. The vents will be replaced as well. Alrighty, so moving forward, the tub is gone. Check it out. Here, there are 4 bedrooms, but again, there's no light, so I won't show you, but the same, we're taking out all old things. Now another bathroom, toilets are gone. We walk in here, more bedrooms to the right, to the left. All right, right over here, this is kind of a common area. There was a lot of things on the wall that we had to get rid of. we got our jams, our midday jams going on. So it's gonna be a good time. We're gonna keep, and obviously a much nicer boiler, water heater system. This, we're gonna remove this out of the way to provide an open space for the occupants. Alrighty, and that's that. Here, there's a kitchen area. There's no light, but it has granite countertops. You know, I can't wait to show you. This is gonna be cool. This is the private residency. This is the private residency area. Alrighty, here, let me show you this one. This was the kitchen area. Can't wait to show you once it's done. That's the entrance, the front entrance. We'll be taking these fans out. Let's check out this. To the right is the bathroom. What do you guys think of this tile, guys? Hey, what's up, bro? So check this out right here. What do you think? Looks good, huh? Check it out, check it out. Looks really, really good. Alrighty, I'll show you the front. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? All right, so here, this is the front right here. As you can see, check it out, check it out, check it out. This is the front. I showed you guys. So that's that. I'm gonna turn it around. We got another couple guys over there working, picking up some more stuff. So we're moving along fast. Let me turn this camera around so I can talk to you guys. If you guys need to remodel a project, it doesn't matter how small or how large, we're happy to help. Send me a DM, send me a message, and we can give you guys a free estimate, no charge whatsoever. It's all about a couple things. When it comes to rehabbing a place, make sure that you work with people that have experience doing this, that will provide the work completion when they say they'll complete the work. Why? Because if you get into agreement with someone and they say, oh, I'll finish it in 3 weeks, and it takes them 3 months, then you're losing a lot of money. So we work fast, we're good. Anything you need, again, give us a call. All jobs, doesn't matter how small or how large, we can help. Drywall, electrical, plumbing, AC, everything. We can even build a custom home if you would like that. Have a great day, everyone.